Hey everyone, welcome back. Last time, you learned how to add a base map to QGIS. That was the first step to making your own maps. Today, we'll go one step further and create our own data. We'll make 3 shapefiles together: a point, a line, and a polygon. You'll also learn how to add features to each, and then style them so they look good on your map. Let's get started. To create a shapefile, go to the Layer menu at the top. Click Create Layer, then choose New Shapefile Layer. The new Shapefile Layer window opens. Under Geometry Type, select Point. Points are useful for marking exact locations, like bus stops, trees, or monitoring stations. Next, choose a Coordinate Reference System, or CRS. I recommend EPSG 4326, which is WGS 84. It's the standard for GPS data. Click OK, and save the shapefile as My Points. Adding a feature in the Layers panel, right-click the layer name. Choose Toggle Editing. Select the Add Point tool. Click anywhere on the map to add a point. Let's say this is a water well location. After adding the point, save your edits. Back to the Layer menu. Create Layer, New Shapefile Layer. This time, choose Line as the geometry type. Lines are perfect for roads, rivers, or trails. Pick EPSG 4326 again. Save it as My Lines. Adding a feature, right-click the layer, toggle editing, and select the Add Line tool. Click to place your first point. Then click again to create the next segment. I'll draw a simple path, maybe a footpath or small river. Right-click to finish the line, and save your edits. Again, Layer, Create Layer, New Shapefile Layer. This time, select Polygon. Polygons are used to mark areas, like parks, lakes, or property boundaries. Choose EPSG 4326 and save it as My Polygons. Adding a feature, right-click the layer, toggle editing, and choose the Add Polygon tool. Click to draw the corners of your area. I'll make a small park boundary for this example. Right-click to finish the shape, and save your edits. Now, let's style each shapefile so the features are easy to see. Right-click the point layer, choose Properties, and go to the Symbology tab. Change the color, shape, and size. I'll use a blue circle. Do the same for the line layer. Let's pick a dark green and make the line a bit thicker. For the polygon, choose a light green fill with a dark outline. I'll also set a little transparency so you can see the base map underneath. Click OK to apply the styles. You've now created and styled your own point, line, and polygon shapefiles in QGIS, and added features to each one. This is a big step forward because now you're not just using data, you're creating your own spatial data. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more QGIS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and let's keep going.